Yeah, wake up. Good morning, guys. This is my breakfast for today is spaghetti with creamy sauce and a hot water only. Okay, thank you for your support. Let's eat with this beautiful lady in front of me.
The sauce.
She is already. She wants to eat already. What do you say about my breakfast for today?
Really yummy.
Wow, thank you, my love, Rosella. Daddy, come here, let's eat. Creamy sauce. Lami daw, guys. Dabi? Nakaduha na siyang take, guys. Buyag. Thank you, Lord. Have a blessed Sunday to all of us. Just keep safe, everyone, especially in the Middle East. Keep safe. And I love you all.
With the power of 10,000 watts of the strongest and
Today's shorts is the pizza from our bossing, our financer. Hi. And of course, Ma'am Rosalina is here. And wow, lipstick kay red my lips kay Ma'am Rosalina. Among Desa and of course the host, Ma'am Ogdula. Pwede kayo eh. O lamig kayo ikaw si Day Desa o.
Wala ko nag-rice.
Wow, no rice na siya, chicken and spaghetti. And of course, the overloaded of carbo. Overloaded of the carbo and the drinks. Teka, ang lang man diha.
Siya? Sa December. Ilan magkaon?
Oo.
Ano siya kalabangan siya?
May party dito?
Nag-party sila. Kapil mo.